Um, the other one, benzocaine. Benzocaine, yeah, benzocaine. When you have a sunburn and you put on those sprays that numb you, those are benzocaine. Okay, if you put on Ambisol, I believe that might be like 20% benzocaine, depends on what it is. So chemical synapses, neuromodulator, we can go over that later. Of the opioids, highlights, endorphins, endorphins, the natural high. Those of you that are crazy enough to run many marathons, yay! That's okay, I do 40-mile races, and the same thing. I like mine. Mines are shorter, not really. A couple hours, like 5 to 8 hours, depending on the race. Here we go, endorphins, the natural high. And you guys can go through this. We're not going to go over second messengers. Don't worry about second messengers. Maybe I do want you to understand nitric oxide. Just in terms of this, whenever you release nitric oxide, it causes vasodilation. That is all I want you to know from that. Probably won't even test you on it. But these are the chemicals, the neurotransmitters, right? There's a whole bunch. But we already saw this, right? We don't really cover this until 142. And then we start to break it down a little bit more in endocrine. So excitatory, and then inhibitory, right? GABA and glycine. Gamma aminobutyric acid. GABA, 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 GABA. And look, direct effects, open chloride channels. Indirect effects, open potassium channels. Didn't we just, and then also block calcium, right? Block entry of calcium. What did we just say? More commonly, it's going to be potassium and chloride, but it just says calcium as well, but they don't understand how it works. You guys understand how it works, right? If I stop the movement of ions, or I move in more negative into the cell, it's going to turn the cell off. And then here's some things. Substance P for pain. Hint, hint, I'm circling some of the things that might be on your study guide. Substance P for pain. Opioids. Morphine is an opioid. It's used as a for the management of pain. Endorphins. That's definitely a huge one. We like endorphins because it's a natural high. You guys can look through these different types of opioids, but a lot of times opioids, pain meds. Adenosine. These hormones are going to be an endocrine. Don't worry or stress out about these. And then carbon monoxide. Nitric oxide is a huge one. That is a massive vasodilator. That means I can get more blood flow to an area. What do you think Viagra is? It is a phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitor. It actually leads to vasodilation, and vasodilation means more blood flow to a particular area.